we're going for a test drive in a 1987 Chevy El Camino. This one's blacked out, bed liner, 350, AC, power steering, power brakes. Pretty classy here. A set of Krager's, nice interior. And throughout this test drive video, I'm going to be checking out everything. We're going to be looking for chips, scratches, rust, dents. How does it steer? What happens when I slam the brakes? We're also going to be getting into the throttle, checking that out, and lighting the undercarriage up halfway through the video. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video, and check out maplemotors.com for all of our inventory, and we update it every Monday with new rides. I think this was going to be pretty good. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, before we take off, check out everything in the interior. Pretty clean in here. I like the carpet, it's nice. Headliner's sagging, needs to be redone. Show you the mileage, 12,813 every 100,000. That goes back to 0. AC compressor just kicked on. Fill it in the car. Little documentation here. Wow, look at all the upgrades. We only spent $14,000 upgrading everything. AC's not cold though. I felt it kick on the compressor, but it's not cold. Wipers, we might need them. Nice, works. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Let's go ahead and ask old rodent out here. They want to know, does the horn work?
No, but the driver does.
What? Yeah, it does. All right, let's hit the road, see how it runs and drives. Right, guys, we're gonna try to beat the rain. If not, we're gonna be in the rain, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And that's my buddy. Roden used to live with me for a while. We were roommates for a long time. He came out to the lot today, and then I talked him into doing some electrical. I think.
Day in the life. Stormiest day ever. Let's do some electrical work, right?
No, don't do it today. Here we go. This is the first time I've driven this El Camino. It kind of looks like my old one. We're only 2 years off. Here we go. She feels good, but man, look how fast we're going. So 75. That speedo is off. Steering, nice and tight. Now let's see if it goes straight. That's straight as an arrow.
Yeah, that's
what happens when I floor? Motor sounds tight.
I like it.
It does, it feels tight too. Getting into those brakes, it's not pulling left or right. Back into our throttle.
Ooh, a little swirly. I like it.
It'll spin the tires. It is a truck. So the light in the rear. Our gauges, oil pressure's almost 60 pounds. That's great. Battery's charging, engine temperature's in an awesome range. Gas gauge, half the tank. We don't have to stop and get fuel today. Now, with it saying we're going 55 right now, that's going to triple the mileage on the Speedo. So, mileage unknown on this one. And we're still going to get the undercarriage shots. We're going to light it all up.
I thought you were going to keep that private.
It's undercarriage shots. It's okay. It's 2024. Everybody shows their undercarriage.
Right.
I don't know. Some of them shiesty guys won't show it. Look at the sky. It looks eerie out.
It is dark.
I like it in a way.
Are we pulling into that one car lot?
No, we're going to church.
Yeah, where that one butthead likes to do donuts at.
You remember that?
Yeah.
I think I know that guy.
I think I do too. I got some words, choice words, but I'll give it.
Some donuts. Guys, we're going to go ahead and get these outside shots, end with picking out the flaws, light up the undercarriage. I'll be back. We're gonna beat this rain. Look, it's just tinkling right now. Nothing to be worried about. Except for this paperwork on the floor that I don't want to mess up. I am messing that up, aren't I? Need a separation. We're separated now. Here we go. Let's get on back to the lot. This is a really nice El Camino. That's not a sales pitch. This is a nice El Camino.
This is a nice El Camino, actually. I really dig it, man.
Well, look, I talked about the rain. That guy flashed his brights at me. Wonder why? Because we cool? It's because we cool.
It's definitely because of the thing you're wearing on your head.
Oh! That's what she said. Look. This thing on my head.
Oh, well.
All right, wipers?
You can, in this car, you can put whatever you want on your head, right?
Look at that. Let's see if the cop flashes his lights. Nope. He didn't care at all. That sucks, man. We almost made it to the end. But it's okay. We made it to the end. I got the whole video done. Picking out the flaws is coming up next, so stick around for that.
Hey, and the detail guys just got done with it, so they get to do it again.
I'll let him take it back there and tell them that. I'm like, hey man, something's wrong with your detail. It's dirty. That does suck, man. Being black, it's definitely dirty. It's definitely dirty.
Okay.
Bumping the road up here, you ready? Here it is. Pretty smooth.
That was smooth.
I know on a lowrider, it like bounces me up into the ceiling on some of the cars. It's not fun. But, hey.
In your opinion, it's not fun. Hey, that was a lot more comfortable.
Well, we're fogging up, so we're pulling back into the lot. Like I said, I gotta take it to the detail guys. Let them clean this ride back up, and we're gonna put it on the front lot. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. Thanks for letting me get some cool outside shots. I feel like that was some of the best outside shots that we ever got.
No problem, brother.
All right, and
you can have me in your video.
now I need you to get up here and fix some lights real quick.
Oh yeah, let me get right on that.
Thanks guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Walk this ride, chip scratches, rust dents. If it's there, you'll know about it. Start in the front. Little crack there in your front bumper. Hazy here. Scuff here on the side. Headlights on this one are pretty clean. Your grill looks good too. Coming down the side of the car, you got a scuff here. Paint, man, I'm touching the fender. It's pretty slick. It's got a lot of wax. Scuff there, chip here. Couple chips there. Little scratches at the bottom. Scuff up top. Now back to your midsection. It's just got a little fuzz on it. There's a mark. Little scuff. Little scuff here. Like scratch. Chips in the front. Scuff on the side of the mirror there, up your pillar. Got a little chip. Got a spot on your windshield too. Back window. Looks all right, looks pretty clean. The roof on this one also is clean. Your bed's got a cap in it. Line of bed. I'll tell you what, I love these old El Caminos. I used to have one I hauled dirt bikes around in when I rode every weekend. I guess I had a sticker back here. Yeah, it was awesome riding around 3 dirt bikes in the bed of an El Camino. Let's get a little bit of tape over the top here. You got some marks, I see them. Oh, they're coming off. I don't know what that is. It's like sap or something.
Nothing in 20s or 2018.
Chrome's a bit faded around the tag, chips on the edges. Bumper on the back, pretty good. Coming down this side. Little chip there. Tires look good in the back. Got some bubbles popping up right there on the edge. Ding. Well, along with this chip, it's a ding. Scratch there. Chip here. Spot on the side there. It's cracked. Scuffs. Little bubbles here. Right there. You got some scuffs on the fender here. People leaning over it, looking inside, a little sap. Yeah, there's a couple things of sap on this car. We try to get that off. That's detailed. Gotta send it back to the detail bay. Scuff on the side. Chips by the mirror. Scuff here. Cracks above your handle. Little chips. Little scratch up top there. Light stuff should come out. Light scuff up top here on the pillar. Around your back window. Scratches. Up on top of the roof, you got some scratches too. Now that kind of stuff should come out with a buffer. It's like they set a box up there and moved it. A chip. Let's go ahead and check out our interior real quick. Now the interior in this one is super nice. Your door panel looks pretty good. Got a little bit of wear, but nothing that's not to be expected. Edge of your door, got some rust. Little bubbles popping up. Oh man, we gotta stop that buzzer, don't we? Stop that buzzer. Let's just turn her on. She's cold. By the time you're watching this, you might think, hey, we just test drove it. Well, it's still cold. I haven't actually left the lot. I've had a lot of rain coming in, as you can see over there in the distance. And I'm trying to wait for the roads to dry up because this thing is super clean. Now, the seat looks good, but the stitching here needs to be stitched back. That's all I would do. The seat looks great other than that. Look at behind the seats. A couple speakers, Kenwood setup. Behind that, you got your storage back here. Lots of storage. Jumping on the interior, the carpet is in decent shape. You got a little bit of a mark there. It's trying to burn, just some dirt. Cup holder, great upgrade. Everybody nowadays needs a cup holder. Took a burn. Headliner, unfortunately, needs to be redone. It's got some pins up there. Now, what about our power windows? A little slow on the passenger side. The driver's side's good. It's pretty clean in here. Under the hood, it's nice and quiet. Insulation under the hood's a little bit ripped. Little chip on the edge there. Overall, I love El Caminos, and this one here is pretty sharp. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think about the walk around and the whole test drive video. I'll try to do better if I need to. Also hit subscribe and share. Check out maplemotors.com for all of our inventory, detailed pictures, financing and shipping. I'm gonna head on out of here. Thanks guys.